how to transfer USDT from BitGet to Binance. So if you want to transfer USDT from BitGet to Binance, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your BitGet application. After opening your BitGet, you need to go with the assets which is on the bottom right. From the assets, you need to go with spot which is on the top left, and here you will have withdraw option. You need to tap on withdraw. And once you select withdraw, you will have this kind of interface. Now you just need to simply go and select USDT. After that, you will have this kind of interface. Now you need to select or enter the withdrawal address and then the withdrawal network and withdrawal amount. Right. So you need to go with the network at first, and under network, you need to select TON, which is the open network, and it doesn't include any fees. After selecting the network, now for the other information, you need to open up your Binance. Open up your Binance, and from the Binance, you need to go with the assets which is on the bottom right, and from the assets here you will have deposit option. You need to click on deposit, or you can also just simply go with the upper left which has that 3 horizontal lines and go with more services, and here you will have a deposit option. Tap on deposit, and from deposit you need to search for USDT. Select the USDT, and from here also you need to select the same one which is TON coin. After selecting here, you will have your deposit address. So you need to tap on it and you will find the deposit address, or you will also have the QR code. So you need to just copy the QR code or just copy the deposit address. Once you copy the deposit address, you can go back to your BitGet and then paste the deposit address right here under your withdrawal address. And again, go back, and under your Binance, you will also have the tag or memo. Once you find it, you need to paste the tag and memo, or you can also scan, and then you need to enter the withdrawal amount and just go with withdraw, which is on the bottom, and then confirm. And in this way, you'll be able to transfer USDT from BitGet to Binance. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.